Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this question they are given 3 to the power x over 1 plus 3 to the power x equal to over 5. Then find the values of 81 raised to the power x over 1 plus 81 raised to the power x. Okay, so first of all we are going to use this in order to find the values of x. Okay, so now related to this, we're gonna let t equal to 3 to the power x, and then we will get t over 1 plus t equal to 2 over 5. Okay, we gonna get 5t equal to 2 times 1 plus t, 5t which is equal to 2 plus 2t, 5t minus 2t equal to 2, then 3t equal to 2, then we will get t equal to 2 over 3. Okay, so now the values of 81 raised to the power of x over 1 plus 81 raised to the power of x. So then it can be written as 81 which is equal to 3 to the power 4 and then r raised to x, and then 1 plus 3 raised to the power 4 and then raised to the power x. So then we can write as 3 raised to the power x and r raised to the power 4. Okay, and then over 1 plus 3 to the power x raised to the power 4. Okay, so as we know that when t is equal to 3 to the power x, that means 3 to the power x equal to 2 over 3. So we can substitute the values of 3 to the power x equal to 2 into this equation. So then we will get 2 over 3 raised to the power 4, and then over 1 plus 2 over 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, and then we will get 2 to the power 4, 3 to the power 4, and then over 1 plus 2 to the power 4 over 3 to the power 4. And then as we know that 2 to the power 4 is 16, 3 to the power 4 is 81, and then over 1 plus 16 over 81, then equal to 16 over 81. So now we have to find the common denominator of bottom here. So we will get 81 plus 16 over 81. Okay, alright, so then now we can cancel the 81 of the numerator here, then we will get 16 over, so for this number which is equal to 97. Okay, so then finally which is 81 raised to the power x over 1 plus 81 raised to the power x equal to 16 over 97. So now we have found the answer. So finally I have solved this question, and I hope you can understand, and goodbye, see you in the next video.